the underlying properties, the nature of matter, energy, and basically physics encapsulates a number of different phenomena. It really studies how things work on a fundamental level, on a molecular level. What is the underlying mechanism that governs a phenomenon?
I don't know what you're talking about, man. But you know what? You keep moving around. You're making me stomach queasy.
I apologize.
You're moving around. It's like I'm on a roller coaster or something.
I just want to know.
Are those behind you? Are those books behind you?
Those are like books. I have multiple libraries, and this is like one of my office space. Multiple computers, multiple books.
Now, why do you need multiple computers?
Multiple computers simultaneously. If I want to superimpose projects. Sometimes I want to work on multiple projects simultaneously, and one computer is just to do multiple projects on one computer is a cumbersome process. So I may have to isolate certain projects.